Hey everyone, Chris here. Hey, really quickly, how to use Sales Navigator in 3 minutes or less. That's what we're about to embark on right now. So, welcome to the journey. Sales Navigator is one of the best tools that you could literally implement for your business as a sales consultant. It's one of the best tools. It allows you to be able to extract this amazing data, target the exact person that fits your ideal client, create that list, extract that data using some type of PDF or Excel spreadsheet, and it allows you to be able to connect with these decision makers, right, without having to cold call, cold prospect, etc. This allows you the easy flexibility to connect with the decision maker, right, that's your ideal client consistently every single day, right? So please pay attention to this. I'll be more than happy to explain a couple different things on how you can use Sales Navigator right now and how it'll help save you time, right, more importantly, but also be able to collect those leads that you guys are looking for in the marketplace right now. So I work with a lot of financial planners, executive coaches, a lot of people that need help, right, crafting leads and making sure they remain consistent, right? So if you go to Sales Navigator, once again, $80 a month, it's one of the best investments you can make. And once again, I'm not promoting LinkedIn at all here. It's just what I've seen, personal experience. So this allows you to look for keywords, certain specific industries, right, that fit your ideal target client. I look for financial planners because I partner with a lot of financial planners, like I said earlier, executive coaches, attorneys, and all that fun stuff. So I crafted my list around targeting United States, and the scenario level is going to be the owner. Right now, you can clearly be more specific, here with geography and whatnot, but that's my specific client that I'm targeting right now. And what I want to do at the top is I want to go and look at the people who posted recently on LinkedIn, right? Because that's the people that are a little bit more engaged on LinkedIn, right? So that's a problem I see actually a lot of people when they use Navigator, they just kind of compile a list based off the total results here. But actually, if you scroll over to the right, you'll see the people that posted recently. That's literally going to be your best list. So if I scroll down and let's say I want to connect, with Jamie here, all right? I'm going to add them, save them here, and I'm going to create a list that literally says financial planners. And maybe I notice that we have a few connections, shared connections, right? Few connections shared, right? This just allows you to be able to look in there. It kind of jars your memory, right? So, I'm going to make sure I label this right, confirm it. So now I've created a quick lead list, right? Now, what does that do? Now I can literally go into all my lists right here at the top and literally look at all the different leads that I've procreated and etc. So it literally gives you the flexibility to be able to connect with every single person, right? In that list, you can send InMails. InMail is a great tool when you upgrade to premium or in Sales Navigator because you can literally send messaging without being connected to that individual, right? You have a certain amount of credits for that. So this really does allow you, and you can literally do this in less than literally 10 minutes a day. If you just spend 10 minutes a day creating lists, right? Eventually you can send cold emails, you can connect with the individual, you can build trust, value, connect with them first, all that fun stuff, just like what I've said in a few other of my videos here. But the first things first, if your profile is not branded properly, right, then it's kind of a moot point to be able to get into Sales Navigator, because if your mission is not clear when people come across your profile or you try to connect with that specific client that you want, if they don't see the passion behind the business, if they don't see that you're the expert in your space, right, and you're trying to get that client ultimately, right, to schedule an appointment with you or to actually be a real legitimate client, you're literally going to have to make sure that your profile is on point and professionally done, right? That you have everything perfected, which I've also explained in a few of my videos. So if you're struggling with this, if you're having problems collecting leads, if you need help enhancing your brand profile, if you need help using Sales Navigator, that is literally why our company exists. So Marketing Bird is here to help you. I'm here to help you. I'll make sure that I share all that great stuff below in a link. So we'll be more than happy to point you in the right direction. And once again, we're here to help. So hope everyone's having a great day and staying safe. And I look forward to connecting with you all. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.